Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you are here because I have 4 really easy hairstyles that you can wear while you have a silk press in, and these are perfect for if you are looking for some everyday low maintenance hairstyles that will help you with length retention but also look really pretty and elegant as well. My channel is a calming and welcoming environment, so I won't be talking throughout this entire video. I'd rather you just get a snack and enjoy these styles and really decide which ones suit you the best. And why don't you let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll be back to close out the video. And that is all for today, ladies. I really hope you enjoyed these hairstyles and found something that is suitable for you. If you love these types of videos and you love elegance and femininity, definitely keep following me because I have a lot more in store. And also follow me on social media as well because that's where I post a lot of these style videos. But I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.